Error 408 in Minecraft Java Edition is an HTTP status code meaning request timeout. It occurs when your game client fails to establish a connection with Mojang's servers within a specific time frame, typically 30 to 60 seconds. This usually happens during login, account verification, or when joining a multiplayer server. Instead of a crash, it signifies a connection failure, preventing you from playing. The root cause usually involves network issues, server delays, or problems with your internet connection. This leads to error messages like unable to connect or directly citing error 408. To understand how this connection process works, let's look at a diagram showing the architecture of server connections. This diagram illustrates how a Minecraft client connects to multiple Mojang servers, similar to the authentication and server connection process. This flowchart shows the steps involved in troubleshooting network issues that can lead to error 408, highlighting the importance of checking connections and security. Since error 408 stems from connection issues, first ensure you have a stable internet connection by restarting your router or contacting your ISP if problems persist. Try switching to a more reliable DNS server like Google's public DNS at 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 to improve connection reliability. If you're using a VPN, temporarily disable it, as it might be routing your traffic through unstable servers that cause timeouts. Ensure your Java installation is up to date, as outdated versions can cause connection and authentication issues in Minecraft. Make sure Minecraft is allowed through your firewall by checking your firewall settings and adding exceptions if needed. If issues persist, check Mojang's server status on Down Detector or their official channels to see if there are widespread outages affecting authentication.